Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shrivastava and today I am going to teach you about the sexual reproduction. In previous video we were studied about the asexual reproduction. Now today we will start the sexual reproduction, and first we will start sexual reproduction in plant. So when we will talk about the sexual reproduction, it always related with the fusion of male and female gamete, and I have drawn the figure of flower over here. Why flower? Because flower, it is reproductive part of plant. So it is very necessary to study about the parts of flower. That's why I have drawn the figure over here. So let's see the parts of flower. So the main parts of flowers are pedicel. Pedicel is the part where the flower born. जिस branch पे जहाँ पर flower born था, that is the pedicel. This thalamus, this is the swollen part of flower on which the whorls of flowers are seated. That means parts सारे इस पे seated होते हैं. The calyx, it is the green outer part. Then after petal, it is the colorful showy part. Then after these three parts form the female part, and these two form the male part of flower. It is called the pistil or stigma, pistil, and this is called the anther, and filament makes the stamen. So let's start the main parts of flower. That is the first part. So first part of flower is calyx. So when we will talk about the calyx, it is the green outer word. Okay. Now it is the green outer part, and it is very important because it protects flower in bud stage. These calyx is a complete whorl, and it is made up of separate unit called sepals. One more important function is performed by the calyx because it is green in color, so that it can also perform photosynthesis and can make food. Now the second part of flower is corolla. This corolla, it is made up of separate unit called petals, जिन्हें आप पंखुड़ी भी कहते हैं हिंदी में. These petals, these are. Now these are large and showy. जो petals होते हैं, these are large and showy. One more important function of this, these are scented. That means it may be scented or produce nectar. या तो ये scented होंगे अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए इंसेक्ट को, या नेक्टर को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, और नेक्टर प्रोड्यूस होगा इन स्पेशल प्रोड्यूस नेक्टर इन स्पेशल ग्लैंड कॉल्ड नेक्टरीज. Okay, now the next part of flower is, now I am going to erase the diagram over here. So the next part of flower is the third part, which is known as the androecium. It is the male part of flower. Okay, it is male part of flower, and it is made up of separate unit called stamen, and stamen is made up of two part, filament and anther. That means these two parts form the stamen, and it anther having pollen grains which is male gamete which helps in reproduction. Now let's see the last part of flower, that is gynoecium. This gynoecium having the unit called pistil, and this type of structure is over there. This is called stigma. This tube-like structure is called style, and this swollen part is called ovary, and this complete part combinedly called pistil. Okay, so why this stigma is there? When the pollination occurs, the pollen grains, male gamete, are going to stick here, and then they move forward through style to the ovary, and ovary is having the female gamete which is known as egg or ova, or here the fusion of male and female gamete takes place. Now on the basis of this male and female gamete, the flowers are of two types, that means types of flower. It is of unisexual or bisexual. So if we will talk about the uni means hota hai single, one, that means flower that bear either stamen or pistil. That means या तो उनके पास मेल पार्ट होगा या फीमेल पार्ट होगा. एग्जाम्पल फॉर दिस इज कुकुम्बर और पपाया, pumpkin. Number of examples are there. And bi means two, or sexual means sex organ. That means the flower that bears both male and female sex organ. Flowers that bear both stamen and pistil. Examples of these are hibiscus and mustard, okay. That means the type of flowers on the basis of sex organ, that means unisexual and bisexual. Now this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.